Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop Snapchat from saving photos to camera roll. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you're here, you need to tap on Profile on the top left corner. After that, tap on Settings on the top right corner. Once you're in Settings, you need to scroll down and find the Privacy Controls section. And after that, if you scroll down, you'll get to see Memories. So tap on Memories. And here, you will see an option that says Save button below Save Destinations. So now, tap on Save button. On here, as you can see, it is selected at Memories and Camera Roll. Just tap on Memories. So now, all your Snapchat saves will be saved only on Memories and not on your camera roll. Before, it was set at Memories and Camera Roll, so everything I saved was saved both in the Memories and Camera Roll as well. So this is how you can stop Snapchat from saving photos to camera roll. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.